Hey everyone, it's Aaron, and I posted this on Twitter today and got a few messages asking about how I got physics and all this other stuff working in ARKit. There's nothing really special or crazy here, so I just thought I'd walk it through for anyone who hasn't really used Unity before or is just wondering how this works. Okay, so here we are in the project. This is actually just the default scene that comes with the Unity ARKit package, and I just deleted everything out of it. But what was in it was actually a cube that would track to whatever plane you tapped on your iPad. And so I took that script that was attached to it, Unity ARKit test example, and attached it to an empty game object called spawner. And what spawner is going to do is it's going to be the location from where all of our soda cans are going to spawn. We also have this soda can spawner script here. I've linked my Croix can right here as the object to be created. And in the script, it's doing, just really simple basic stuff. It's instantiating a soda object every frame in the update call. It's adding a rigid body, which I'll get to in a second. It adds that to an array, and once there's more than 1,000, it destroys itself and makes them all over again. So why am I adding a rigid body here? Well, essentially, if you have a rigid body in a child game object, so in this case, the child is the soda and the parent is the spawner, the rigid body does not follow the transform.position of the spawner parent. So this means even if I tap the screen and my spawner moves somewhere, my soda is not going to necessarily move with wherever I place that spawner. So that's why I create it, it's added to it, and the second it's added to it, it adds a rigid body so that it respects physics. I did add a capsule collider on the object. So if you look at this, there is indeed a capsule collider here so that it can then collide with the floor. So how do we get that capsule collider to collide with our real world floor? Well, essentially, the ARKit demo comes with this blue square, which is used to mark horizontal planes. And I basically threw a really massive mesh collider into it. I turned the renderer off, and this is just 1,000 by 1,000 inside of this plane. So essentially, as soon as a horizontal surface is detected, the entire area around it is turned into a floor. This makes it quite difficult for tables and things like that. I had trouble actually getting the plane to a exact size, so I just blew it out and as a hacky solution made it cover the entire ground. So yeah, that's basically how I did it. With this, you end up, with a floor for your cans, which now have rigid bodies and mesh colliders to collide with. Hope that helps someone. Thanks for watching.